Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are all well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah and your prayers. Dear students, I am your new English teacher. I am going to conduct an English class of class 5. So, who are the students of class 5? Just ready your English book, pen, pencil, khata or notebook and be ready to watch my class. So, dear students, welcome dear students to watch my class. I am MD Shahjahan Ali, Assistant Teacher, Kedarganj Government Primary School, Mujibnagar, Meherpur. I am also an English trainer, Mujibnagar, Meherpur. Introduction of the lesson, Class 5, Subject English. Caption of the lesson, Shoykot's family. Today's lesson, lessons 1 and 2. Dear students, just we are going to learn in details about Shoykot's family. About Shoykot's family. Dear students, I have come here from the popular online page Ghore Boshe Shikhi, which has brought to your home by Mujibnagar Digital Primary Education YouTube channel. Dear students, in this time I would like to show you some picture. Would you like to see of my pictures? Okay, thank you. Just look at the slide and see the pictures one by one. Dear students, if you look at the slide, what can you see? You can see a girl. You can see a girl. Maybe she is a student. She is a student like you, isn't it? And here is a boy. And in this picture, you can see a boy and a girl. Dear students, you can see this picture like a woman, like your mom or madam, isn't it? What can you see in this picture? You can see a man, like your teacher, okay? Wow, dear students, just if you look at this slide, you can see they are gossiping, sitting on the grass. Maybe their picture, their free time, isn't it? Dear students, what can you see here? If you look at the slide, you can see a man, a woman, and maybe there are 3 cutes. Wow, here is also a very little cutes, very little, so nice. Dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn today? You can see a family members, because you know where sister, brother and parents live is called a family. Is called a family. If we look at our around side, we can see there are two types of family. One is single family like this, and other is large family or joint family. And the member of a family, single family, father, mother and their kids, sons and daughters, and the members of joint families are both of these and added grandparents, children, uncle, auntie, cousins and so on. So dear students, we know that there are two types of family. One is single family and other is joint family. Now we are going to learn about such types of family. We are going to learn in details about Shoykot's family. So dear student, do you have all got your English book? Just open your English book at page 10. Just open your English book at page 10 and look at the slide again. Dear students, look at the picture. What can you see here? Just try to say. We can see a man is writing something and a boy is reading, touching his hands under line, and a woman is sitting on the sofa. Maybe she is working with his hand, maybe she is saying. Dear students, if we look at the picture carefully, we can see a man is writing something, a boy is reading and a woman is sewing. Here we can see, what's this? This is a wall clock and here is also a calendar. Okay? Dear students, here is some words. Just try to read it and write down your notebook or khata and try to write the Bengali meaning. What will be the Bengali meaning of these words? First time you may all try to say, then write either Bengali or English. Dear students, spell the first words. Parents. This is parents. You all know parents mean father and mother. That means Baba Ma, Pita Mata. Is it clear? Okay. And family. You all know where live sister, brother, father, mother and sometimes grandparents is called a family. Family means porivar. Family means porivar. Is it clear? Very good. Banker. Banker. A person who works in a bank. Dear students, who is a banker? A person who works in a bank. Is it clear? Bank Kormokarta. Banker means bank Kormokarta. Improve. Unnoto kora. To do well or develop. ইমপ্রুভ মিন উন্নত করা। অ্যানিম্যালস জীবজন্তু। হোয়াটস দ্য মিনিং অফ দিস ওয়ার্ডস? জীবজন্তু, বিস্ট। হাউস ওয়াইফ, হাউস ওয়াইফ মিন হাউস মেকার, গৃহিণী। ওকে, I think you are completely understand the meaning of these words, either Bengali or English, isn't it? Okay, okay, dear student. Now we are going to the next slide. Here if you look at this slide, you may just try to match your answer of this previous words meaning. Father and mother, that means parents. A group of people where live father, mother, brother, sister and sometimes grandparents is called a family. What is a family? A group of people where live father, mother, brother, sister and sometimes grandparents is called a family. Is it clear? Banker, who works in a bank is called a banker. Develop, prosper or do well. Animals, beast. And housewife means house mother or homemaker. Okay. Dear student, just open your English book at page 10 and I am going to read the text. You all listen to my voice carefully and try to understand what I am going to read or spell the words. In that time you all touch your finger under line by line. Okay, now listen. Shoykot Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker, but in his free time Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shoykot's mother is Mrs. Monwara Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Neighbors, do you know what's the Bengali meaning of this word? Neighbors mean Protibeshi, who lives beside your home or very near. Shoykot is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English. So he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Dear student, now you all read this text again very carefully and if you have any problem, just inform me. Just read this text again carefully. Dear student, you may all just read this text. Now, dear students, just look at the slide. Here is some question. Read the previous text carefully and try to say or write the answer of this question. Okay? First question, what is Shoykot's father's name? সৈকতের বাবার নাম কি? Just try to say what is Shoykot's father's name? Shoykot's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Mr. Rashidul Islam. Thank you. And second question, what is Shoykot's mother's name? Who wants to say? Shoykot's mother's name Mrs. Monwara Islam, isn't it? What do his parents do in their free time? হোয়াট ডু হিজ প্যারেন্টস ডু, তার পিতামাতা কি করেন, ইন দেয়ার ফ্রি টাইম, তাদের অবসর সময়ে, তাদের অবসর সময়ে। মিস্টার ইসলাম, মিস্টার রাশিদুল ইসলাম রাইটস স্টোরিজ and listen to music, and Shoykot's mother enjoys sewing in her free time. Question number 4. What does Shoykot do in his free time? Dear student, you all know that Shoykot is a student of class 5, and in this question I would like to ask you, what does Shoykot do in his free time? Shoykot তার অবসর সময়ে কি করে? Shoykot likes watches cartoons on TV. In his free time, Shoykot watches cartoons on TV. What kind of books does Shoykot like? Dear student, question number 4, just read it and try to say what will be the correct answer. What kind of books does Shoykot like? Shoykot কোন ধরনের বই পছন্দ করে? Shoykot likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Dear student, I think you are all completely understand or completely clear the answer of these questions. Do you have any problem to say or write the answer? If no, if you have any problem, just I will go to say you again. Just listen carefully. What is Shoykot's father's name? Shoykot's father's name Mr. Rashidul Islam, and mother's name Mrs. Monora Islam. What do his parents do in their free time? Mr. Rashidul Islam writes his stories and listen to music, and Shoykot's mother enjoys sewing in her free time. And what does Shoykot do in his free time? Watches cartoons on TV. Watches cartoons on TV. And what kind of books does Shoykot like? Shoykot like such types of books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Okay, dear student. Dear students, you all know that not only our Bangladesh but also all over the world passing a very hard time by the reason of COVID-19 coronavirus. So our school is not open. In this time I would like to request you all, just write a short composition about your family, and inshallah when your school will open, that time you may all show it in your school teacher. Okay, just after this class you all should try to write a short composition about your family and keep in up carefully, and when your school will open, just show it to your school teacher. Okay, dear student, what have we learned today? What have we learned today? We have learned today what people do in their free time. We have learned today what people do in their free time. Dear student, you all know that COVID-19 or coronavirus is very dangerous to us. So we all should, when we want to go any local place or local gathering, we all should wear our mask and avoid as much as we can local gathering, local vehicles, and any local place, and we all should just wash our hands from time to time with any kinds of soap, and we use hand sanitizer and take care our health and hygiene. Dear student, may Allah save both of us, and inshallah we may see you again in this class. May Allah save you and both of us. Thank you, dear student. See you again. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.